The 2013 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless entry, cruise control, keyless start, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control, rear defrost, trip computer, CD player, bucket seats, MP3 player. This vehicle qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.